set.
He's desperate to go one better green, and he has provided an epic moment once again. He is surging into the back straight. He's desperate to go one better. And what a superb setting here for a fantastic victory.